Yeah, tell your friend what you want.
I'm at the sorry guys. Let's see.
He has to get off soon. The tech is about done. How can you get out of this?
Okay.
No, what else?
Who wants to go to city with me? So yeah, users are YouTubers. Okay, first
Let's Dude, I've seen this on YouTube, and I'm like, no way. You bring that to this. I love coolest kid in town. I can't find my slippery wall. I wonder what could they be? I just go first person.
I can teach you. I'm better. I'm better than you. I'll teach you how to play. How do we run? We can live in a world of
Michael is dark.
Cause every night the brightest colors to my head. Are you new to this game?
I'm not.
No.
Where's the other guy? Who's new to this game? Because I can see. No, how do we jump? Who's new? Are you new? How do we play? Are you new? Yeah. You new?
Oh my goodness.
Where's the store?
Each one there to make you smile. On the rain.
I play soccer at my school and I'm already
Let's go. Let's go.
Where's the store at? Yay. My friend did that.
Okay,
Yeah, let's go. I'm running.
Okay. Look at that. So we should just be able to eat.
Yo,
you have like playtime in Project Epic? I'm trying to animals, so that's fine. Is there lava monsters in this game? Or is it just like a game where you just like hang out? How long will that take? So I'm at 22. So only
Oh my goodness.
He's down again.
Viper has wait.
Scored.
Wait, blue.
Blue.